10th chapter, Properties of Triangles. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, Part 280. Last part completed some 7 marks problem by using trigonometry transformation model problems. Today explained problem is repeated number of times in intermediate public examination. This problem 7 marks problem. What is that problem, students? If A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14, C is equal to 50, show that R equal to 65 by 8, comma, small r equal to 4, R1 equal to 21 by 2, R2 equal to 12, and R3 equal to 14. First of all, here A, B, C is given, you can find all values. First of all, you have to take what? Given that A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14, C is equal to 50. First you can find the perimeter of the triangle. What is the form of perimeter of the triangle? 2s. 2s is equal to A plus B plus C. This is the perimeter of the triangle formula. In this formula, you can write A value 13 plus B value 14 plus C value 15. And these are, you get what? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 42, 2 ones are 2 21s. Then S value is 21, S value completed, S is 21 completed, half of the perimeter completed. Next you can find the delta. Delta nothing but the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle you can write the formula by using sides of the length of the triangle. What is the formula? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula of the area of the triangle delta. Delta is equal to square root of, what is the value of S? S value is 21 into S value is 21 minus A. A value is what? 13. 21 minus B value is 14. S value 21 minus C value is 15. Understood or not? After that, square root of 21 into 21 minus 3, 21 minus 13 how much? 8. 21 minus 14 how much? 21 minus 14 how much? 7. 21 minus 15 how much? 6. This can be written as square root of this 21 you can write 7 into 3. 7 into 3 21. This 8 you can write as 4 into 2. This 7 you can write only 7. This 6 you can write 3 into 2. This value you can write, this value you can write 7 into 7, 7 square. 4 into 2 to the how much? 4. 4 into 2 to the 4, 4 square. Plus 3 into 3 you can write 3 square. This can be written as square root of 7 into 4 into 3 whole square. Understood or not, students? In this way you can do that this problem, you get easily coming to the total answer. 4 square is 4, 7 square, 3 square is there. Total you can write only one square. This square and this square would get cancelled. Remaining questions. 7 into 4 into 3. You can write 7 4s are 28. 28 3 is how much? 28 3 is 3 8 24, 84. You get the delta value is 84. S value is 21, delta value is 84. By the relation between S and delta, you know that R value. Small r equal to delta by S formula is there. Formula is there or not there? Is there, student? This is a circle. R equal to 4, delta value is 84 by S value is 21. 21 ones are, 21 fours are, then R value is 4. R value is 4 completed. First one is completed. Next, R1 equal to delta by S minus A formula is there. In this formula, you know the delta value 84. By S, you know the S value 21. Minus, you know that A value 13. R1 equal to 84 by 21 minus 13. How much? 8. 4 2s are 8. 421. You get R1 value is 21 by 2. R1 value is 21 by 2 also be completed. That is the problem. This one is R3 equal to R2 equal to next delta by S minus B. This is the formula. In this formula you can write delta value. Delta value is 84 by S value what here? 21 minus D value what here? D value what here? 40. R2 equal to 84 by 7. 7 ones are 7 12s are. Then R2 equal to 12. Then R2 equal to 12. R2 equal to 12 also be completed. Next we goes to R3. R3 equal to formula is here, delta by S minus C. In this formula R3 equal to delta value is 84 by S value is what here? S value is here 21 minus C value is 15. You can get R3 equal to 84 by 20 minus 21 minus 15 6. 6 ones are 6 remaining 24 6 4 you get R3 value is 14. R3 value is what here? 14. Here R value is 4 coming. R1 value is 21 by 2 coming, R2 value is 12 coming, and R3 value 14 also be completed. Next to capital R you can find it. Here delta is equal to ABC by 4 our formula is there. Area of the triangle formula. This is one more formula. In this formula R equal to what stands? ABC by 4 delta. Just R interchange delta. Delta and R interchange. That's why small r equal to, you know that A value, what is the value A value? 13, B value 14 into C value 15 by 4 into delta value how much? Delta value 84. Delta value how much? 84. 14 ones are 14 6 are. 14 6 are how much? 84. Next 3 5s are 3 2s are. Next anyone is cancelled, 13 is not cancelled, 5 is not. Why? Because these two are parallel. That's why capital R equal to 13 into 5. 13 5 is 65, 4 2s are 8. This is the capital R value 65 by 8. Complete R. In this way you can do that this problem. This is very important repeated problem in IB examination students. That's why first process is, first you can find 2s or s. After that you can find a delta. After that you can find all formulas. Small r, r1, r2, r3, capital R formulas. These are the boxes are the formulas. That formulas you can write substituted values. You get easily coming to the total answer. Understood or not? This is a very important. Once again explained. Once again repeated. This is very important. That's why this problem practice perfect. You get the 7 marks easily coming. Very easy problem. This one is. Prove that r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square is equal to 16r square minus of a square plus b square plus c square. Last problem are very important repeated problem. This problem is unexpected 7 marks problem. That's why this problem you can do that in this way. First of all solution. First you have to take put r1 plus r2 plus r3 minus r equal to 4r. This is the one rule is there. This rule also be explained previous part. You have to take this rule. First of all you have to take this rule. In this rule r1 plus r2 plus r3 you can write one term minus r is the another term is equal to 4r. This rule squaring on both sides. This rule squaring on both sides. You get what? R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R total whole square is equal to 4R whole square. This total you can write A. This one is what? B. A minus B whole square. Formula is there or not there? Is there. What is the formula? A square R1 square plus R2 square, A square nothing but R1 plus R2 plus R3 whole square, A square completed, plus B square nothing but R square minus 2AB, 2 into R into R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 16 R square, 4 square value 16 into R square value R square. Here, this is A minus whole square formula, you can write A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here this is A, B, C. A plus B plus C whole square. What is that formula? A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square. Here A value is what friends? A value is R1 square. B value is R2 square. C value is R3 square. Plus 2AB R1 R2 plus 2BC R2 R3 plus 2CA R3 R1. This is the total value of this expansion formula. Minus of 2r into r1 plus r2 plus r3 is equal to 16r square. 16r square here plus r square is there, you can write plus r square. After that, here you can write r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square, you can write what term? Plus 2r1 r2 plus 2r2 r3 plus 2r3 r1. In these two terms you can common to r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r3 r1. This r square you can write here. Once again expressions, this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Once again this is a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus r square you can write minus of 2r1 r1 plus r2 plus r3 is equal to 16r square. Here these three terms you can common to minus 2r into r1 plus r2 plus r3 is equal to 16r square. 16r square. Here you know that r1 into r2 plus r2 into r3 plus r3 into r1 is equal to s square. This value already explained in previous classes. This value also you can find by using r1 equal delta by s minus a, r2 equal delta by s minus b, r3 equal delta by s minus c formula you can use. You get this value. Next, r into r1 plus r2 plus r3. You know that r1 into r2 into r3, r1 into r2 plus r2 into r3 plus r3 into r1 equal to square. You know that r into r1 plus r2 plus r3 is equal to ab plus bc plus bc plus ca minus s square. These two values you know that. That's why you can write in place of this value you can write s square. In place of this value you can write this total. You get what steps? r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square similar plus 2 r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r3 r1 that is what? S square minus 2 r into r1 plus r2 plus r3 that is what here? ab plus bc plus ca minus s square is equal to 16r square. Is equal to how much? 16r square. After that you can write r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square plus 2s square plus 2s square is equal to minus 2ab minus into plus minus 2bc minus into plus minus 2ca minus into minus plus 2s square equal to 16r square. Once again explain students here. First four terms are similar. 2 into s square 2s square minus into 2 minus 2 into ab minus 2ab minus 2 into bc minus 2bc minus 2 into ca minus 2ca minus 2 into minus s square plus s square is equal to RHS part is similar 16r square. After that r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square plus 2s square plus 2s square you can write 4s square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 16r square. After that r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square. This can be written as 2s whole square. Correct or not students? 4s square nothing but students. 2s whole square 2 square value 4 s square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 16r square. Here we know the perimeter of the triangle 2s equal to a plus b plus c. That's why we get r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square plus you can get this value is a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 16r square. You can take in place of a plus b plus c square. This total value you know that a square plus b square plus c square. You don't know, once again you can write formula r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2CA. This total value is this one. This is the A plus B plus C whole square formula. Minus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA is equal to 16 R square. Here minus 2AB plus 2AB minus 2BC plus 2BC minus 2C plus 2CC cancel. Remaining what? R1 square plus R2 square plus R3 square plus R square plus A square plus B square plus C square all this term is equal to 16 R square. You can find this value. What is this value? R1 square plus R2 square plus R3 square plus R square equal to this value goes to here 16 R square. This plus goes to the side minus of A square plus B square plus C square. This is the answer. Correct or not, check students? 16 R square minus of A square plus B square plus C square, R1 square plus R2 square plus R3 plus R square. Here, first you know that this value, first point this one is, second value you know that this value. Suppose you don't know these values, you can write formulas. R1 equal delta by S minus A, R2 equal delta by S minus B, R3 equal delta by S minus C, R equal delta by S. You can solve total problem in this way. This is the unexpected 7 marks problem.